In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in the Google Gemini Windows app. If you've ever needed a quick way to isolate a subject from a busy photo, this walkthrough will show you how to do it directly inside the Gemini Windows app with a simple prompt and one image upload. We'll keep things clear and straightforward so you can repeat the process anytime. Start by placing your cursor in the Gemini message box. Here, you're going to tell the app exactly what you want. Type a concise instruction such as, remove the background. Being specific helps the model understand your goal. If you want a cleaner edge around hair or fine details, say something like, remove the background and keep only the main subject with clean edges. If there's a particular subject in the frame, mention it by description. For example, remove the background and keep the person in the red jacket. Short, direct prompts usually produce the most consistent results. Next, attach the photo you want to edit. Look for the small plus sign next to the message box and click it to upload your image. Choose the file from your computer. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For best results, use a high-quality photo with good lighting and clear separation between the subject and the background. Higher resolution images generally lead to cleaner cutouts. If you don't immediately see the plus sign, make sure the app window is wide enough and check near the input field where attachments live. Once your prompt is written and your image is attached, press Enter. Gemini will take a moment to process your request, analyze the subject, and remove the background according to your instructions. Processing time can vary depending on your internet connection and the size of the photo, so give it a few seconds. When the result appears, review the edges and overall cutout. If you notice areas that need refining, adjust your wording slightly and run it again. Small prompt tweaks like emphasizing clean edges, keeping only the main subject, or ignoring shadows can make a meaningful difference. That's the entire workflow. Write a clear prompt that says, remove the background, click the plus sign to upload the image you want edited, and press Enter to let Gemini do the heavy lifting. With a careful prompt and a quality source photo, you can quickly generate background-free images ready for your next project, presentation, or design. Keep this simple formula in mind, and you'll be able to repeat it confidently whenever you need a clean, isolated subject.